We are Al-Qatala.
We are the killers. We fight without sorrow. We wage war without sympathy. This is the only way to live and die a true soldier.
Echo 3-1 to Charlie 2 actual.
Go for actual.
LZ is in sight.
Looks like our boys are right on time, Colonel.
Roger 3-1. Hitman teams are locked and loaded for assault. You are green to go.
Colonel, we may have a problem.
Too late, Laswell. We're live.
Not until I say so. Watch it at 3-1, how copy?
Station Chief Laswell, send traffic.
General Barkov has sent a new ship pouring gas to his depot. But his mercs are prepping to move the chems into Urzikstan via convoy tonight. You're still clear to engage, but live fire on Russian military is prohibited. We cannot have an international incident.
No guarantees Russian army won't respond on this case.
Understood, Alex. Just locate the gas, commandeer Barkov's trucks, and get off the X before the tide turns.
Copy, Watcher. We'll handle it. Let's move.
All Hitman teams push to your set point. Roger, on the move.
We need to keep this on a tight loop. Barkov's men are moving the gas tonight.
What are the odds we run into General Barkov? Russian general wouldn't be caught dead out here. Psst, heads up. Hearing two. Looking for us. Two mercs, no uniforms. They're game. Drop them.
We're clear. Copy. Post up on the ridge and let's get the lay of the land. Echo 3-1 to Blue Viking 5. Call for fire. Stand by for target confirmation.
Copy, 3-1. Viking is standing by.
Let's recce the area and make sure there's no Russian army down there. Vehicle coming in the main gate.
Movement in the rail yard.
That's how the gas comes in. Vehicle's on the move. Roll your glass over the main gate.
Target's in the loading depot. Eyes on.
Copy. Checkpoint, that's the entry. No Russian military presence. Call it in, CIA.
Blue Viking 5, this is Echo 3-1. Troops in the open, south gate. You are cleared hot.
Roger, 3-1. Target acquired. Weapons free in 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Echo 3-1. Good effect on target. Viking is RTB. Good hunting.
Much obliged, Viking. We'll take it from here.
Heads up. Multiple guns on foot. Hold off. Let him approach.
Рассредоточиться, если что увидите, стреляйте!
Smoke him now.
Clear. Force up.
Looks like someone was playing with fire. Serves them right, hawking this chemical shit.
Did right. They got radios and guns. Put them out of their misery.
Got enemies inside.
Coming your way, Echo.
Мне платят, чтобы я
We won't make it.
The man's coming to you.
Element of surprise is not on our side, boys. Stay frosty. Stay sharp. We're blind on this breach.
Contact! On that second deck! He's got good suppression! Flank up and take him out! Force out! We need to secure the gas before they move it. MG, down! Get moving! Clear! Gas must be inside.
Unless we're too late.
Clear! Clear! Clear!
Chems may be inside. Masks up. Let's do this.
What? They killed the power.
Go white light. On me.
It's pitch black in here. You hear that? Whoever killed the powers in here, I'm telling you, could have been the airstrike.
Now they're here. Contact! He's down!
Got him!
Movement on the catwalk! Clear!
All clear. Let's get the power up. Shed some light, find this gas.
Roger,
Light's coming on.
Power's up.
Hey!
We got a problem. These guys are Russian army.
Spetsnaz.
3-1 to Watcher. Barkov's hired guns or Spetsnaz. We got Russian army KIA. We need to bug out now.
Negative. Command wants mission accomplished on this. Not our choice.
Verify this is what we came for. We'll set the trucks for egress.
Jackpot. EID in the gas.
Solid copy, 3-1. Load up and get back to base.
Roger that. Let's move out. Boston's, we are Oscar Mike to the RV. Watch your sectors.
Good work, Alex. Rally is the hook point for egress. Watcher to 3-1, hot copy. Alex, do you read? Over.
I got you! I got you, 3-1! Shit. Who the fuck is this?
CD, I'm gonna.
Manorusi. Mari. Amitar. Lazim nitarak. Paran! Parakku! Wala! Wala! Wala!
Echo 3-1 to Watcher.
Alex, what happened?
Terrorist attack. Multiple Marines KIA. Gas stolen. We need evac now.
Roger. Tracking multiple Russian forces headed your way. Sit tight. We're pushing to you for fast exfil. Watcher out.
This operation is now compartmentalized.
What the hell does that mean?
Means you no longer have clearance, Colonel.
Those are my Marines. We need a QRF in there right now.
That's not advisable.
And that is not your call.
Colonel, Laswell.
General, my men...
Norris, give us a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
We've got a situation. The Kremlin has suspended all deconfliction channels. The Sixth Fleet is pushing into the Black Sea, and chemical weapons are now in the wild. Your fingerprints are all over this, Laswell. Fix it.
General, right now intelligence is our best weapon.
We've tried intelligence. Get me a better weapon.
John,
Laswell.
where are you?
Occupied.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Where travel's fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
London.
When can you brief?
We just did.